Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for natural ways to improve your health? Look no further. Anti-inflammatory foods are those that contain nutrients and compounds known to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and certain cancers. Consuming a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help mitigate inflammation and promote overall health. Here are some examples of anti-inflammatory foods. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants such as flavonoids and vitamin C, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Leafy greens. Leafy greens including spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that possess anti-inflammatory effects. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleic acid and contains antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has potent anti-inflammatory effects and may help reduce inflammation and pain. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Avocado. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, particularly red and yellow ones, are high in vitamin C and antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants that help combat inflammation. Tart cherries. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins and other antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation and alleviate digestive issues. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content contains flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. It's important to consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods as part of a balanced diet for optimal health benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more remedies.